Uttam sir, am I audible?
Oh, audible. You're audible.
Acha. Juthai, ang jini ani lugurao rajirao ke jini dimasa Scholars League ni 8th online dimasa series discussion series welcome klaidu. Jini speaker Dr. Uttam Bhattari ke welcome klaidu. Bhattari sir la Guwahati University History Department ni Associate Professor. Behe stang ICHR NERC ni Deputy Director bodongba. Jini topic ni title la Social Experience of the Sixth Schedule, a Dimasa Narrative. Ibu jini key topic Sixth Schedule la stang ni jini speakers or the participants for jini discussions have today. Inchi pinginle they mention kleka. They jini dimasroni collective identity vis-a-vis the state ke hum jing analyze climate kala this constitutional provision of Sixth Schedule lajing ignore klefia. Obani with due permission from the organizing committee or they have without any further delay ang Bhattari sir ke reply do buni session ke start klemane.
Ajuthara jiro. Kribo khana lai nai duda. Hello. Khana lai du kribo.
Khana do sir khana do.
De saru. Ang skang thawa dinini bo lecture organize khlaya aba Dimasa Scholars League ke ani giden prang hamjoma khasomari ladu. Pirechkala jingla Dimasarola Butuzang Khamdada Goron Lahi Sainleba Hadaile Bela Hamsening Komse Zinhabo culture Duaba Habiaho Obani Ili Bubliha, Ili Jabliha, Ili Tibliha Kunsi Ili Baudada Peke Bozomklahi Yaba Kushi Habajan Baniang Hamsening Hamzoladu Ode Dalang Dinang Bolining Klailang Ti Ang Asadaladu Ode Buzangning Jini Subungni Gezarabo Butuzang Goron Lai Sainli Aba consultative Masi effort discussion the he effort Masi Grau Masi Jahi Afri Masi Jahi by Gomanigo Kolam Janang Tiang Baudu Butizang Dini Buha Ibu lecture hub Payaba Gaba Payaba Given Hapaini Dimasaro Jalairao Nagarao Mahlarao Purian Sarao and she Kripkawang Anigiden Prang Lamzaudu Kazuni Kazoma Hamzo Marila Dunisne Anke Ibumel Ha Tomane Latsiba Laukamu, Sixth Schedule ni Basauha Ning Joma Saniba, Skabo Ang Sixth Schedule Kedo Pakat Skabo mainly Jini social reforms ni Blamha Angsa Ani Kani Bautake Ang Bere Baudu Ang Bere Nudu Buket Simanang Zoamu Kani Bautai to Manki Bad Den Yado Ding Bedehe Jakala Hamdo Lanang Skando Lanang or Buhajini Sixth Schedule ni provisions Kazing Bedehe Yawai Funang Yawaimani Blamdong Bukazing Ang Ani Bautake Nishyang Ang Tipla Lama Boba Mobani Ibu Dineni discussion ke Ang Lesi Hamsi academic discussion Debu Bauya Ang Hali Dineni moderator communicate sebalikly it's almost like a discussion about dinner table or lake listening to a dinner lanya lunch time one he lunch jiba hajing khaplong to see biano to see come the plus highly valation yang mutlama or bani ground hela ani journey about hai ang ani research perspective ni giren prang some are work in progress some are arguments in progress obani uli coherent bojanang niya janai du nisi bawalai nisi expect lai ang bawalai bo Obani Rabai incoherence dong du tikala Rabai sosuya tikala nisi yausi hipnusengabo hamsining hamlana hamdo ang hamdolanang ar ang tibalang baha bagya khat kawa yahona question answer sesonabo si sangpalang du tikalang blaidu si ani bauthai ke khajuni bauthai ke ang hamsi lenjins ka ha represent claimani ang try klela nang udejang
sir
oh
sir ini microphone ni volume ke kisha increase kle du ska de ba
acha de
laptop ni audio ke
hamsi khna ya bana
kisha mane kom da ba
ang fan ke ksa off mane klaya nang do bo fan ni
de
speed
de
ke kom klaya nang
de sir
dua lakh na ni da
do ham do ka
de sari bo fan speed ba mong bani janai ba I was explaining ang sex schedule ni social experience ni basawat sima bawa basically jini sungla sex schedule ska chela khali political angle khesin bawa jini autonomous council dong ora jini leaders peren ke elect lai du ora executive body bodong ora ha jini legislative power bodong given subject matter legislative power bodong udijang most of our thinking or thoughts on sex schedule is basically political. Representation, voting, bibran haning jing confines ay dong babang daw. So one of the most important aspect in the social aspect jing we leave it out jing buke bawya within sex schedule ha dong dada jing bide he jini culture ke jini language la hatho la baigodu nabani blaya ba nabani jing school salai pia ba ulia ba discussion za bala jadu ode Jabu Japalang du duala crack lahi new education policy bo phaika new education policy bani advantage bo dong new education policy ha berechkala mother tongue ha primary education zamanang du tsada tsbani kli jing boksa bol maido langla kha duala odejang state frang resource brand maiba bo jini journey language teaching method brain develop klaiba learning material brain develop klaiba state frang bo juru ma bangdo hi mainang bani jini bo subida jalang lanang tika bo ibu brain aspect ke jing hatwa silent du tika bo in total jini six schedule area ha dong bani jini social aspect ha bili impact jamanang remu bili impact jakfuka mu bisli jakha bisli jaya buni mu si social audit jini ha giri Bereskila jing babu bawa ya udah kle jini ule social implication sex schedule ni dong nang cibo jing kribla bawa sofunang niada naidu ubani bo jala naidu segala dini ang bu grau kini ngera ha nishin ska cima bawa segala social audit segala statistics ni grau thaibo dong ulila ang bo ska ciba learning work in progress uli ciba ni liana bo uli statistics dong do bala nia segala ani bautai jang what is apparent naiba haning no hadu Ibu aspect de totally jing de ekhon ruda dong landu ko autonomous council ora ha bisli role play claima nangdu buke claifia ko chila directly nuzaudu ubala ang bodu statistics ni boli jesi necessity giri nuba haning nufla hadu chkala buke bo nang doya obani ang muliaba ani realization masi magin ke nisi jang share claim moba nisi Ora nisi jauh dulu sekala nisi ni bawa thai ke bawa pernang bawa phadu sekala jauh ya kabat ke bawa ibu de janang nia ibu angle ada jing ide naik ada ham donang ide mazang donang sekala ani bo personal benefit jalanang rajiro ni bo nisi krip ni bo benefit janang se ang baudu ubani ang buket sera dua jen ma baudu so nisi fungsi jonda ang pen ke off class wa ba speed kom class area nang sorry ani bauthe hala jing dimasa ro la duha jing dimasa nadi time nadi bublia dongba ke simat kala ani bauthe ha we are in a post normal time la concept masi Ziauddin Sardar che masi scholar ibo concept ke season ba post normal science ni part haning siba ibo post normal time ke post normal time la basically kazam system bailang laka kabo kazam baidu chela gadain system ora hap haidu na laibo जों जारिमिन हाबो नुदु स्टेट मासे फायदु गिबिन स्टेट थिबानि हना गिबिन स्टेट फायबोदु एम्पायर मासे थांबानि हना गिबिन एम्पायर फायबोदु बो मासे कन्टिन्युएशन जाहि दंदु बो कन्टिन्युएशन नि जाबाहा गेजेरहा मासे ब्रेकिं पॉइंट बो ग्रे माने ब्लैक बोनिया व्हाइट बोनिया ग्रे पॉइंट दंबालाय लेहि मासे ब्रेकिं पॉइंट दंदु बुके बो पोस्ट नॉर्मल टाइम थिबा this is in brief the concept of post normal time so the ang bo bani baudu jini dima sabo jing do post normal time hadong ore nabani ang bo post normal time bauba skala jini skang ni o state je dongba jin dimaraji dongba spanning a vast tract of area in southern bank of Brahmaputra and across the hill to the Barak Valley bo structure la jini bailang lang la bo political structure dini girilang la it has just become a part of the mass social memory now udehe buni lugu lugu bu state system ha bisle jini social institutions weren thrive klaiba jini belief system jini cultural system bu weren bo ang nubalait kala kere kere it's on decline giri phaika kere kere klai buni masi example thmat kala my technical skang ha Jesuit father sausi Michael Kolb sarabu laisigrang si khaikoba ni sikribo bukala metinaidu out of the hills young dimasas and traditional religion thi something interesting like si ni sikribo phoi nai kha buke ang la santos asnuke nuadu bunila abu cover back cover page abuni view bodong bulaisini besauha bu laisini main ground hela jini dimasarau ni furian sarau those who are educated in western modern education bunsini outlook jini dimasa traditional society ke jini belief system ke bunsi bide he naidu nadi muthaijang naidu bide baudu ode bu rahabani statistics po use klaika and it is very good work very fundamental work ani hisabala mane jini at least jini in our case jini dimasani case atmats kala obani bulai shiha nubalai skala jini yang dimasarau ni gezarha jini popularity jini skangni religious belief system ke bani critical jabalai nudu and they offer their certain arguments also nabani bulsi jajoya ba nadini jajoba uliaba jadi grau brand bo bunsi oran sidu justified unjustified crowd la chimalania kribni bo perspective ni grau thai skabo orang prang jing nuzaudu jini traditional belief system ni basawa jini smung ni confidence ni smung ni bishas kasa giri phaika khomja phaika uli jaba nuzaudu buke garibo jini kezer habo dua jini social belief tradition strong institution strong bubrena bo kisa ijang jang jabalai nuzaudu jini gezara humi thousand dong sikrubo mitsidu anthropology ni assistant professor Guwahati University ni kuni PhD dissertation la di masarau ni daiko system haning klaiba ang de thesis ke de puria ko puri bade skabo ang grau ke chima boba je humi ningbo ni research a ibu grau masikela nunai kha jing ansan phrang bo khana phalai buba daiko jigni tirara skabo actually rap mani thangka skare bakhali bade jigni maya bakhali bade bangdaw da mai bodu prabai ade boning daiko ni main characteristic ibu dong khachare daiko jadu ibu jaya skare daiko jaya bu bren ke bo main characteristics ke naidu skare prabai ade jigni bo ya ade prabai ade bangdaw langladu skala ili thangdo phaidawla bidekle hijaba pukejing masi baumani garau thai somewhere somehow ang baudu jini bo social cohesiveness tongya baksa gri phaiba ni se jing uli jing jang jaflung balai ang jaudu brabai hala godain dai ko khamri ba uli chiba bokhonadu sebo nadi system jang nadi framework ha dai ko khamri re dai khoni role nadi dong ba godain dai ko nabani jamanang ba uli aba discourse brand jini ha sainlei ba uli jase ang nuya obani bani grau hade buke arbitrarily jaudu serba nangjo khaning dai ko khakha jalakha आर बोदाय खनि फंक्शनिंग बेरन हाबो जिं उलेनिंग खसा खसा नुदु ग्रान्ट का जिनि दुआ थारबानि मासे इंस्टीट्यूशन दं मलायनि जादि जां न जाबा बा गिबिन गिबिन बला माबो थारबा आथिखाला बेसिकली मलायनि जादि जां न जाबा बा दाइखन फ्रां थारमा दाइखनिं नादि क्लाइमेट दाइखन फ्रां थारका थिगासे जामा दाइखन फ्रां जादि रिमा जिलिक रिमा थियाबा ग्राव ब्रेन दं खलाइबाबो नुदु थिखाबो वराबो उलिनिंग नुजावदु मुसे माने प्रॉपर मेकानिज्म उली दं बालाय आं नुजावया सोरबा दाइखवा खुसि खुसि खलाइलादु उले थिबा बखनादु सोरबा दे जाया एरादे जाया हरासे जामा उले थि ग्राव बांलाइबाबो नुजावदु. So I think these are part of this post-normal time. This system is breaking down. Obani guli uli jaban नुजावदु. Ode jini kesar ha dua crowning ground ke tsima tsgala माने क्रिस्टियान पपुलेशन बो बांदो बां खेरे खेरे बांदो फाइबा नुदु कदाइन दो फुरियारो सुंब्रेन बो क्रिस्टियान जाफालांबा नुदु सिखांहा गुफुसाराव बोल सेंहि ब्लाइ सोफियारा दुआदे खेरे खेरे बांदो जाफालांबा नुदु तो बुखेला आं पर्सनली on my personal ideology alangla boladu religion is a very very private matter obani serba jajobani jaba jalangla babula ang bodu individual ground haise thikabo ang individually lala khatse bang buke personal ground haiti lala khatse bo jini social nadi ha process ha ang nubala itkala buksa effect jahidu tila bedetskala krips bungla ning ang bawbalai jing bawbalai buke personal matter seda remya bola ham sining identity ni mase jini dimasa ni noyam ni dimasa jadi ni hayam noyam ni ground hele ladara bunsi baudu bani bawbani serba gibin religion an thangla bakla naditsma mane lailolo khle ajau fia odebani bubren thangda bo khaliba social tension jahimani social conflict jahimani scope dong jini jarni bisinga jin laidini bo sumbren bani klani she odi ileba grobren ke odi take it to the heart they take it to the core odebani monsi negotiating space girilangla khatini conflict jalangladu jini gesar ha jarni bisinga uli jaba nudu ar ilining japalandu skalago ar dana ha conflict pangdola fure ani bautejang angli bolaba skabo subung sausi Christian jalangla ha nadi baudoda nadi bautejang Christian jalangla ba jini jarni systema isaba gazai dong bana hamya dong ba buke jing bisar klaya jalanglaya ba kesen nabani ude jaba uli jing nalai bu question raise klebani bu jini masi bu conflict situation ksa jini bangdo balai ang nufnangdo buki gari bo jini dimasan gezara dini nakna gibin bu Hinduism ni gibin sect ha thangba nuzaudu Ananda Marg ji serbala Anukul Thakur ji ule gibin kadain bu syndicated Hinduism ni bisingha bule le gibin doya ba brena bo habba nudu ar syndicated Hinduism ni influence po jini gezara bangdo ba nudu ane RSS ni activities brand bo bangdo ba nudu bukela ang lahau shibotia everybody has right to proselytization sere paida nadi timantia bala chkabo ani bauthaela nini jarni social institution strong jahidong do chkela ulila jamani grau grimu chela ibujini social institution brand du khere bo erosion ja phalangba kening ani bauthaijang anglago post normal time ti bawba jing buni musi jini alternative bo do sushi bagya kho ulikli yang bawba abuke gari bo jini bisinga finsi ibu lecture series aning speaker ni connection ksa problem jabani khle jing ni gibin cross hele ba habo crowd he bai ba mani ang jini fin buke bo dislam manang joba jini bisinga hapai lahi gibin jarara boksa division bo dong various ang bawbalai tigla jingla di masa asaba dong du chkabo jinla sengphong dong jilik dong jadi dong serba bormon rebgune chkabo jini social transaction hala jingla jadi sengphong kini nyawai ba se bormon rebla gune chkabo obani सावसिगिनिला आं पर्सनली आं साइनलि हि याबा ब्रेन बो दं क्राउ रावनि हाबो दं जालाय रावनि हाबो दं आंबो एक्सपीरियंस निग्रेन फ्रांसिलाबा नाबनि बर्मन रेबमा नाबनि हुजाय रेबमा नाबनि सेंखं रेब फैयाबा उली हिजिं साइनलि याबा ग्राउथाइबो बांका आंनि पर्सनली बावथायाला आंला बर्मन रेबलाबो नेटकाबो सोशल फंक्शन सोशल ट्रांजैक्शन अला जिंला नालाय वो जादी सेंखं लायावे लाबासे plus jini mase another marker for identity which is dimasa language ko jingla sainle labase yawai labase hapai mafik sainle thai kisa gibin la jala du jabala sigabo language khaning jing main marker hisabe ladu chkala bala jing dinla dong ladu bla for example Assamese nationalism Assamese identity Assamese identity habos kang frang jing nai du chkala since the birth of Assamese nationalism in the first part or latter part of 18th century, they were stressing more on language. They were not stressing much on religion and other thing. They are stressing more on language and culture. Ubani bunsi diniswishiba bunsi bo language kening yawa hi tong basets ka bunsi ni bising abo upper Assam thila lower Assam thila bunsi ni grout hebren bani gibin se skabo bunsi standardized kladera rap hala bunsi masi rap ladu. And bunsini bo dialectical variations never came into their division, social division, or as Assamese as an identity. Udilening ani isabala di masaroni habo demra dijwa hawara sawa gibin dialectical variations tong ladutska bu variation should not come into the cohesiveness of the Dimasa society and culture or as an identity or a book is a right should not stand as a hindrance. Uli zamananya ang ani bautejang ang baudut kabo ibu trends brand dua nai balai skalaksa jini erosion jafalandu dua ska ansbalai ni mo Michael called me Laisia bodong jini daya dai khuni grau bo jing bu thangdo phaido jaba ke nudu ar ko given example bo dong jini ha let's mane given region an thanglaya ba brand bo bu brand ke nai hi jing nudu skala we are facing a grave crisis jini the mainstay of our culture, our identity ning kere grilang la khatgala jingla barat thangma can the political structure that has been framed by the sixth schedule itself can sustain us if it can how long ani hisab jangla no political system has ever been able to sustain for perpetuity in perpetuity the political frame can sustain an identity or a system only when it is backed by certain cultural, social institutions. Budong katika se bu jini bu asaba identity bo sustain jaba. Udelining duha jing six schedule dong bane jini autonomous council dong. Bora jing ora nation kuru jing buke we can scan, we can delve into it. Basically, any political institution in the form of autonomous council, as envisaged by the sixth schedule, how far it has been able to perpetuate our social institutions so that we can strengthen our social identity. Because jing naimani blamdong adets kabo ang dua ding ang dua chipalangya ba bo marker brain kanai du chikala ani hisab jangla sixth schedule ni hisab jang autonomous council uli jesi buke khlai phubalai angla nupnangya ode nupnangya bani jini dua social institution beren ili erosion jaba sethi ang ani giren pra ang baufrang ladu diklehi tigala ibu bubli ha jini social institutions beren erode jaba hajing bideklehi jing ibu erosion of our social institutions ka jing bidehe arrest klaima how can we take the advantage of special administrative setup and we says by the sixth schedule in promoting our identity and culture. Because jing ksa sainlei nang duha jini pori answer ni gejar ha ska ansbalai ning bu tendency masidong jini traditional belief system la superstitious se nadini spirit ke puja khlaibe ma nadini sky ke puja khlaibe ma maba khlaibe ma uliaba bauthai brand dong and which is very understood from the point of their educational training, their educational background. Because basically, modern education is based on the Western epistemology, Western knowledge system. Ni basawa se jini education system bodua dongba obani western education system ni basaw naidu frang naidu skala jini social institutions jini belief system la totally irrational, illogical, unscientific, uncivilized, ulikli savagery uli categories ning rimba nuzaudu bunsit ko broadly animism la tidu tsbala which means that assigning spirit to natural elements ulikli tidu tsbo if you look at from the indigenous people's point of view I think there is am I audible? Hello?
Audible ning? Audible ning?
Oh, irak sama pa zabale ban disconnect jaba baba.
Yeah,
Kala bojing western lens epistemological lens ana do tikla totally irrational. Skabo ani bauthai habo niado if you look at from the indigenous people's point of view Latin America hazala Africa hazala even many communities in East Asia bo indigenous religion ni basawa bani khushi jaka dangka bangka jini erabo kere dola japaidu ode silai kribo able young leader bo scholar brandong bala arbo jadau nang tiang baudu tela bo indigenous lens ni gedan phang nai khatskela ibula bunsi western epistemology ni gedan phang sebalai klei illogical laila jajoya for instance jing jini sorry jini jini traditional belief ke jing naidu skala indigenous belief system ke naidu skala we are more of like natsama we have a symbiotic relationship with the nature and this relationship is a very relation there is a mutuality in this relationship. It is not like the Judeo-Christian or Abrahamic religious tradition line. Yeah, in Western theology or in Western science, human being is separate from nature. Subungke bunsi separate dang dada se it is separate from the natural world. Both enemy very basis of doing that is consciousness. Only human being has consciousness. So you put human being in the center stage. Anthropocentric worldview. Which any worldview like anthropocentric? Subung, what they say given. But whereas indigenous life form, indigenous belief system is more of like mutuality is there. There is a sense of mutuality. I take little bit from you and I give it back to you again. Like I said, exploitative nature niya. But it's kala masi example ang sinang if we consider that language is a cognitive expression of culture, then it is through language we recreate the world. Buni hisab jang jing language ke jing example ladu skala ground te jima sanin sinang. For us, there is no jungle, there is no forest. It is not a wild space dotted with trees and woods and wild animals near. But it's jing nadi tiba forest ke hagra jing la hagra setba hagra. The land it is elderly to us. So look at this designation. There is a sense of reverence in that. Kraurau Kejing, we always look up to the elderly people. Kraurau Kejing, we look up to them for wisdom, for margdarshan, for direction. Ulilening the forest bo grase. Forest bo, it's our elderly. So we accrue everything, most of the thing. In fact, everything we accrue everything from the forest. And in return, how do we pay back to the forest? In reverence. Jing buke claim ladu uban sa hagrat ba elderly. So how does it happen? Buje respect, bo reverence. This respect this reverence is institutionalized in social belief system through certain narrative. Ko narrative la bidets gala ora hello kana duda
kana do
bu narrative la bidets gala bo institutionalization la bide hezabat gala go ora hade datang ora hade modai dong. So you don't trespass that territory. It is a sacred territory. Tinijing jinu Daiko system can I do it? Daiko system is built around the same argument. Jing braha Daiko dong, bo Daiko dong yaba kala jing nalai bo secret ning deng base. Oraha crips bung tangtoya, oraha extraction, ora bon dainma maba klaima bukala protecting trading messaging. It is almost like the sacred group. Mane do khasini northeast ala khasini chanteni bisinganing most studies about sacred group ni nari kere la blam kere prang la jin la bla don and hardly musi baguya ko humini khushi ke gar dara lagi bin la musi bogri promote medhi mamang brabe khasa magin article ha mention kleneka it is based on the whole idea of sacred groups. So those system jini habo dong we we there is a reverence in the nature, and that reverence is perpetuated through certain social norms, social institutions. Obani, sorry, Obani, it is. If you look at our traditional belief system, it is very, very, illogical, unjustified. It looks superstitious, but it does have certain logic. But that logic is not congruous with the Western logic. This is a logic which is non-Western totally. So, for example, it's not that my intention is not to denigrate any belief system. Ang example rimanang gawani siba. How shibu personally ibuke layahi as an argument ning lakat sila hamnang. And for example, if we look at the Christian tradition.
Hello. Sir, ni network siya hamya nahi ka. Pause the lang ka screen ha. Hello.
Hello.
Dua phai pin ka.
Phai pin ka.
De.
Tiada running continue plan nang na. De. So Western belief, in Christian tradition, Jesus was crucified, and after 3 days, Jesus resurrects. So if we look at the Western science point of view, is it possible? Is it not superstitious? How a dead person can, resurrect? So, can't we take it as superstitious? No, but people believe in it. Similarly, jini jarni shungbo orade thang toya bo hade orade mudai dongdo. Chavala, you are revering that space. Buke sonman khaida deng base bo hapai ke bo hatani ke ora hamusi superstition ni groundnya. It is more of like a mutuality. Say we take from the nature and we give back to the nature. Jini ang bani hatani abo li bo sex schedule ni ground hybrid ketsibaha traditional indigenous belief system ni ground hybrid ketsibaha sungbren singre. And then isi bide he gibin zaba. Nadi gibin zaba ni national sex schedule nang ba uli titsre. Ang bua kripke tsire nisi bakalba hajika thangka atse. Ang thangka atse. Hajik bisli dedu bisli laudu. So oraha puni ke zara a tiny peck of space ke clear klaiban nuduna nuyat sebenarnya nudut. Ode ora nadi klaiban isi mit sidu, ada mit sidu. Nadi klaiban ora hadi dang ba, padain dang ba. Yes, exactly padain dang ba. Kalau bu isle hajik gideha, bu tiny space masih clear klahi oraha hadi dang bala bu la gibbir bani dang ba. He could have cleared the entire forest, but he does not do that. because he knows that these hills, these forests, this jungle will be here. I am taking only what is needed to feed my family for this year. Next year I would come back and I will cultivate again. So ang busikit sire nisini ha uliaba concept dong nisila balai ka dela krep hadi ka bazar ni bumjang klai tar lamse. So our social system, our worldview is totally different. It is a different thing that because of Western education and other things that our worldview is also gradually changing, and that is the reason why we need to re-strengthen our traditional institutions. We need to strengthen our traditional belief system. Braha nadi nangdu buke dengma braha dengya as per the time buke rusa khoma nangdu chikalajing buke rusama klaima nangdu sehi ang baudu. That is where again autonomous council or district schedule comes in. Jing bauthai idibo phaila pure jing nadi ni jini traditional system ke jing revive klaima nangba nadi klaima ko buke klaireda. So dini if you look at the unbridled destruction of forests in the name of development, only key to survival of humankind is indigenous belief system, the way indigenous people look at the nature, look at the forest and other living and non-living things, because it is not only a stone, it is also part of larger natural world, and it has its own role to play. Jing dinibo krip hapaya klai runa klai alamitia ang ansa nubala itskara jini mai koha long time masi khamri ra dengre bo long time khamri bani graudhela to that it will protect the granary from any damage nadini bo long time rau khima graude bo long time le rau hi dong phuma bo granary jini mai jing nadi dangdu ko bo long time le rau hi dong ma. So it's a symbolic, it's symbolic. And if you see that same thing is practiced among the Tripuri people also. Department bisingabo liaba dong pusibo mai ko along thai dengdu. So these social institutions, this social practice does not come out of the blue. It comes from the worldview, and this worldview is from the Western point of view very illogical, but Western worldview is illogical, destructive from our point of view. Obani jini bo traditional institutions kajing revive klaimanangdu. Another point why we need to revive our traditional institutions belief system is that these also kind of works as a binding force in the community. Bo masih example rehanang misi bo Yuval Harari ni laisike purinaika Zikrebo Homo sapiens siaba, deep history Homo sapiens siaba. Oraha, I find it very interesting, and that is very pertinent also. Homo sapiens is not the only human race. There were other races also. Zikrebo Mithinaidu, Homo erectus, Florensis, Neanderthal, Denisovan, given racial group dongba, they are contemporary to Homo sapiens. Skabo bu group brand dini girilang laha. Bu girilang laha, or the entire world ke Homo sapiens have come to dominate. There are different theories how come Homo sapiens could destroy other groups like Neanderthals and others. Uni basawa given theory dong skabo ibu Yuval Harari theory la. It is the myth. It is the myth. Bani bu statistics re-argument ladu. Subung for a group of people, 150 ni basawa subung kathai sia dongma chikade. There need to be some sense of cohesiveness giri chikade jafuya. And that sense of cohesiveness comes from myth making. And buni hisab jangla Homo sapiens were capable of myth making. They were capable of myth making, but other groups were not capable of myth making. So other groups, even though physically they were more, stronger, larger built, Homo sapiens though weaker and smaller built, but there are more people in one group, single group. And because of this numerical strength, they could dominate over the other groups and finally extinguish them. Tila myth dong do tila subong ni masih sense of unity phaidu. Udini India as a nation state, how from the Vedic times the concept of Bharata, Bharatvarsha, Pahidini, directly how it has been realized, actualized today. So there is numerous myths that is constantly being created and fed to people, and people are consuming it, and the result is we, the Indians, the Indian identity. Similarly, jing my example riada Dimasani case abo jing Dimasa, children of big river, jing di Grebani benar hadong bani, jini civilization jini life di dinar hadong bani jing Dimasa. That is a myth. Or that is also a reality. That myth itself comes from the reality of dwelling. Dwelling, from there is a difference between habitation and dwelling. Ours is more of dwelling. We identify with the space. And because of our dwelling in the river bank, for Dimasa, the idea of Dimasa, we are children of big river. Or this herbalatidu, niajing ariki dimani basase. So again, there is a creation myth. Bideha Dimasara Hazaiba. Bideha Dimasara Hazaiba go ariki dima ni basabishik bani. Boran Franse, Ariki di Masa, Bo Arikila Genelang Laha, di Masa Holang Laha. They Ebo Gibi, Ebo Mosol, but people believe in this kind of things. It does not depend on my personal belief, but people believe in that, and it is what keeping people together. Jing Kribo Bausise, Jingo, the Ariki di Mani Basabi Sixa Jing Kribo, Ariki di Ma, Disney di Langbani, Bun Prang Jing Hazabani, go Jing di Masa. So this sort of myth is out of dwelling in a space, and it is institutionalized in various narrative forms in the society and then perpetuated. And that is why these myths are very, very important thing. And this belief, these institutions are also very, very important. So now, cutting it short, what role sixth schedule can play in that? Sixth schedule creation, the basic idea ning dongba, geocultural differences with the other people in the region. Any geography, any culture, since geography determines the culture, any cultures, any worldview given maning, sixth schedule jingtanari base, and it is clearly specified there that they should be ruled as per their own genius, they should rule themselves, strengthen their social institutions, their language and other things. Uli nisi sixth schedule ke hamsik kori duci kala bo grauthai nuning nunang. Origin, if you look to our neighboring areas, for example, Meghalaya is on sixth schedule at the same time Maleva 1952 aning bo first district council bunchbo maiba jingbo maiba. But look at how sixth schedule, the autonomous council or district councils in Meghalaya, how they have promoted their traditional belief system. They have totally reorganized their belief system, sacred group ni idea, totally in the 60s itself they finished all that. And because of their effort, now today we see that Khasi sacred group is a known phenomenon across the world. Scholars from across the world, they come, tourists from across the world come to see Khasi sacred group, but we are hardly known. And that is where I think the sixth schedule, our autonomous council also could have played a very, very vital role. Ours is more of, confined into political activity. So social activity lajing lajabanuya. Opening dini daiko as an institution daiko system bo girilang laha. I think daiko system has been a very, very ingenuous creation of our monarchy. I do not know whom has discussed this in your thesis or not. So, ani about I'm chilling unique system as any monarchy create like a bit skala. Swungbrand given hapaya dong bani. Daikobo given hapaya like a crip clan bobo daiko specific clan ni specific daiko dong ladu or affiliation dong lama. Bo daiko athandra bunsi puja klai lama mi sang lama asabo klai lama who ibu masih umbilical cord ni system jini sungjini clan system ke khatro deng mane monarchy has created it, and I find it very very interesting. Skabo bo monarchy as an institution thibani lugu lugu monarchy girilangla bani lugu lugu jinla political vacuum masi jaka. That political vacuum has been filled in by 6th schedule, autonomous council or district council, but district council has totally looked away from that aspect. Totally looked away from that aspect, and they are totally confined only in the political activities. And ani hisab jangla jing jini cultural markers parent ke jin social institutions parent ke jing strengthen claifiats kare only the political activity will not perpetuate our identity and our effort obani dua ani hisab jang ang boya ba keksa nisang share klay nang ibuki ang krawraw gani katam jangbo skang hawa share klay ba jini duani MLA gede ma bibi hakjer jangbo ang ibu kraw ke share klay ba ode krawraw pangsa bi ang krawraw jangbo share klay ba bunsibo tu ibu kraw kela jawdu skachka bo musi ulila naditsma visible khusila musila jan bala jan sofia ko betila personally ang modeli transfer jalang laha mama jalang laha punyauna university la gadain join jaban yauna teaching back to teaching after 15-16 years learning kasa struggle claim nang labukang modi jarada pula tholang laha chkabo ang usyang share clay aba kebo ang dinini syang share clay nang raha video clay katila jing jini social institutions print ke revive clay nang anjing bohajing bede 6th schedule ke ora role rifunang buke ksa ang nisang share klaida chamre nang gonta sibo jama jaka ani baute hala ang 2009 ha jini dai ko ni ha film ba ha thangba buha khraro brenjang bo jin sampong ni khraro ke koron ka dai anjon thai ke koron ka, and I observe certain things which is very very painful ngane bu patri jaya ba sungde longpen gaini sola thui ja patri ga ba obani ang singka patri la ulining jare je nia uli de jaya sela bula na bani uri ja bada sela nali khlaima bula chakri daya ba sung puri aba sung patri jamane sungri ko jing jabardosti se jing jare ba daya bo jon thai bor sila du japlaya kha abda jingbo de wan se goya ban chen jala siba ar gibi they have to no be in such a rigorous mane naditsma bo regimen ke bunsi yawi manangdu basa gapuya hemi thamanangdu era khamtoya era jithoya declaitoya de dangthoya they undergo mane believe bo brain restrictions brain ke bunsi mani manangdu ode jangbo their position is very very naditsma honorary sedang bani gorja agni maikap skela jaka dongla kha ulelekli so jamani bo sungri uli japaika patri jamani bo sungri daya jamani bo sungri jon thai jamani I found it very mane naditsma deplorable uleja jola ba do hamjen tukunang si ja jola ba, and that's how I started talking to many other elderly people and some of them I think has been implemented now already by the autonomous council bu daya jon thai ne stipend rimani kunang brand nelari dus kang prangbo muzari brand nelari du chkawo daya jon thai ne lagiri chkaw dua recently khana balai chkala dua la busibo mai phalang nang janai du ulichba khana ba, and that is very very encouraging chkawo ani hisabade only buke khlai ka thining jini traditional system revive janang ode angde bawya besila jini traditional system bo masimagen jinis tong jing buke dangklai manang du jing bani jinisa uniformity lab manang du bukela be dekhlaima daiko jigin tela gibin given ulening jala du tela to uniformity bo fainang nya tela bu change kala bede labu fuma to ani hisabala ibu individual effort nya hi sung saushitsbani irezaba ibotsbani udezaba udeni another there should be a collective effort bo collective effort ni hisab jang ani bauthe hala jini dara disani hosom chidas ka dong bajing ansa dong ba ham chening khnare bo hosom ni bumuke ude bo dara disani hosom so jini dakhana de hamsi visible jaya lang lakha tela ani bauthe hala bo dara disani hosom ke revive klaimanang du buke revive play ora community ni bisli elder dong mujari dong daiko mane daya jontai kribo dong ma and councilor nisibo min sedu councilor to adjudicate our traditional disputes disputes related to our cultural institutions traditional institution buke adjudicate claim ani klai jini council ni court bodong buke hamsi actively perform claim ba nuya nuwala obani book council ni bo customary court ni bakla haning jing bo dara di sake jing revive klai ora khraro ke deng dada naya jon thai ke deng hi wo synergy mase jini traditional system dang modern system ni mase synergy labmani jing effort khlai dada ora ha nadi ke deng khoma bakala bebo dai kadai dai ko khapuya khagat kala dai ko khamaning kala nadi criteria nangdu karma kala nadi criteria nangdu ide chikare tharpuya ibo social institution ke dode jing de khosa change khlai manangka bere kala masimagin garathai bo Michael call ni lai shithia ba habo dong jini traditional system ren ba masimagin ada ham sining expensive jabangdu elaborate ode expensive jabangdu dini daknani bugli aksabu nadit manai ba ha out of nadi mane incongruous ulele nundudo ode bani buke bide hazing refine climate uliaba garathai brin ke bo dara disani bo forum ha bo mail ha khamdara naya jon thai ke wala parada ule bo ke claima ode chening bo oraje rule klai do bo council ni judge ni athangma council ni judge buke finally approve claima and it will go to the council executive committee bunchi boy approve claima that institutional pattern jing follow klai do chkere ani hisab jang it can I see a lot of scope in reviving our traditional institutions or traditional systems anguli ani bothai jang boknang ba maidu ar bo hisab jang kiranai ka chela jing jini six schedule ke jing yawai bala we have not used it to the fullest sense do abo jing yawai akho jing khali election songma jing developmental khushi dangma bohara sining bobo kho developmental khushi chela gonandi lama slamma school dangma uli hasning jing kasa confine jai tongbolai jodu bubru bonang duang nangya chia teo jini social institutions ke revive claimana nadin this step lamanangu kubuke lamanangu che about do udechika se the objective of six schedule problem bangbi six schedule I'm not saying that it is a problem free institution state jang relation ni ha problem bangbi central jang relation a problem bangbi do abo pani case beren nudu mane council ka bisle importance rimanang do ria dada bidehe bypass clay state government nalaibo dangma baudu lille jabalai nudu so even in political sphere also a lot of things to be done but that will be strengthened the political process will be strengthened only if we reform our society we bring reforms in our traditional system revive these institutions because only these institutions will make our political system stronger ang bubli bo lauka time allotted de par janai ga obani bangdo hitsia ka nisi ang siba serba personally lamanaya ang religion ni bumu lahi bo chika ang personally thima boya ba graunia chebo process ke nubani ang jen laba obani hosibo ke laya dada ibuke free spirit of brotherhood lakha chkala hamnang cham modu odijang ang niske kirke bolining ani den prang hasomam jomari dada ang running samladu jutai
Thank you, Uttam Ade, for your extremely enlightening or enriching talk. I doha ang jini lugrao ke asbo questions dong skala ade ke shingmane welcome to questions dong skala. Yes kala angning start klay nang discussion ke. Ade ning first time ashi term use klay ba social audit sihi. Or a statistic bo nishi mention like that skala jini especially jini tribes ni schemes butuha sobat skala census becomes a very important source of that statistics or jila ili studies bo jakha that census bo scheduled tribe ni definition gawangning problematic she especially in relation to household ba dishi sibalai na the concept of land, for instance. Land tenure system ke hamshi define klefia. What is private, what is communal? Redoha ning mention klebel like customary beliefs and practices habo problems ahido. Skala Rajadi bo constitution ke nahi do in both its colonial or anti-colonial legacy ha are given parameters include klef na ibu definition ha jini mane ibu issues butu ke resolve kle mane do future ha wo mashi question ani side rukang.
Thank you. Ibu ning tiabala graula bojing colonial or post-colonial bisli parameters tong buke yawai yahi given nadi parameters sing yawai funang ulit sibana. Ani ksa clearly tima bo ang ani bortheke ang tinang do. Ane the problem is ani borthaya the problem is we are trying to look at our problem from the colonial and even post-colonial perspective it is more of like Western lens sajing naiba ke bangdo balai ang jawdu mane miaha ang dima hasawa nolai masia thangba ora nolani ora sungso siang bani kraw sanle kha bani bo dang bani given problem bani kraw sanle ba it came from him. I was really surprised. It came from him, though. Ang tika isang din na kaibu baha usang dia hadidang ya bagan sini patan ke nubu bago ning may ham kada tits baha may ham kagabang ning bula hagadain banit so bu hagadain set ba om bula skala hagra se dong batit so ora coffee bagan dong ba ode coffee bagan lugu hagra bo dong laba jingbo buke yawaya ulining dong labo go raha ode duhase ibuke bo hagra yaudada jing oraha rendang ba rang ode bujar ning siladu bo duade jing de jini ham sining problem jama kha bo hagra ka yaubani bela jing la dini source la uzang da se uzang gidi gza se uzing den phang thaima jila chao go dola hagra yaudar la khala wala jila bran phang bozom jama kho jila bozom jana ni ha go ham sining problem jama so just look at this person na ibu nolai ni shung bo khamo habi bo mane jini hisabala bola illiterate uneducated na as a rustic rural folk so he knows that ibu hagra ke ora yaubani duha jini kare dini problem jama ha ya ang de sketchelan sila na bani bu hagra kala yauba khoda bada chesimade bide klaima du ibu coffee skala coffee bagan dongba so duala ko krep sungren jarni patta slam tarlang lakha ko patta jabani honala angani ha ke yaula basta ni nadi problem jabadu kering soske x ke yauba nuha tining y bon yaulang lakha a bo le yaulang lakha b bo yaulang lakha and now the whole area is new that so ane problem is skang ha jini land regime nadi dongba jini ska communal land regime dongba na community se ownership dongba bu community ownership ke garhi jing do kere we are heading toward individual ownership ar bu individualization jabani bo given naditsma factors dong do if I want to do something in a particular land I want to start a venture or harang nang do chela danang bank hatang do chela bank will not give me any money ani bumujang patania so angra asaba salaima chkawa either it has to be my own money or if I have to get money from the other financial institutions uli climates kala ang bo given halai kle ani bumujang patak le lamanangdu so we are seeing gradually individualization of land is happening in our area so ani hisab nanga the first thing autonomous council should have done is that they should concentrate on these kind of issues land reforms ni bisawa bede ibu community based land system ke yawai dada jing cooperative model jang asaba productive effort asaba given kusi dangma chego bede we claima ani hisab jangla ode claima nang remo ode uli claima scope bo bangbe mo skala cooperative movement ningli strong dongba ode jini subungni gezarala cooperative spirit of cooperation la jadau thau na ambang thau bumi thangbaning busining silado ago mahir gabala jingla naubala bakhalebala butujang naulaidu anoratko yaudu naudu gibina regalaibo lining butujang ning regalaiba. So look at that communal spirit, na. We have not been able to tap this communal spirit of our people. Rather, we are taking the cues from the society, which is antithesis to ours. In the name of development, we have borrowed in other systems and try to replace it with more enlightened ones, more traditional ones, with these borrowed ones. So I think there lies the problem. We have to reorient our perspective, our vision, our viewpoint, and then we will see that we see that there is a very thriving alternative possibilities are there. And sixth schedule as an institution envisages in the constitution itself can play a very, very important role. Dini government promote lai do ada subol kyang nuadu ada subol ni lecture about siba FPC Farmers Producers Company. Sekarang cooperative dong ba dua pun sinadik lai ka वो banking system के liberalize klai bani privatize klai bani bunsi nadik lai ka cooperative का scanning problem जादू बनी वो दो नादिक lai ka bunsi cooperative के हाइके दो वाला farmers producers company तो bunsi financial system के bunsi liberalize klai का कला बुबरेन के जिंग नाइरा जिनी हाबो जिंग जिनी system आ इबुकरे जिंग adapt klai lama थी Clemani Jini, I think there is tremendous scope. I can see a thriving alternative possibilities I can see. I do not know whether I could address your answer.
Yeah, it was very informative though. Wo nishi point la buya ba. Jin ha magin question phai ka ang cha naba nishke knari hadu. Rundon jiding shingdu like ho system or the other traditional system central bushuha as drama competition or in other form of awareness campaign klaikala pedehe janang participants nolai ni blayarao dong khala survive ho janang sibo.
Thank you. Ani hisab ade ibu uli klai katkare ham sining hamna beretskala jingla awareness ning labumanang basuti. Jingla Baudu, because of our educational background, because we are trained in Western epistemological system, we want to see everything from Western lens. But if we change that lens, and if we see Angskansibala, we see thriving alternative systems. Kala, wo system ke mitrimani klehi, jini hajar niha hamba jinis ke mitrimani kala jingla awareness la labumanang langduda. वो awareness labumani ha go ili jinin discussion jini jabalaining discussion jabalaining esaba social form habo saba social format habo jing buke klai lapnang drama ni system dan climate sewa competition ni system dan climate sewa ani samala kab hamba grau se bu grau thela chkabo dua busuni grau chiba ha ang ar grau masi wain soba ni buke ang den so anang boba reform klai ba ha ile reform zamananya reform for the sake of reform zamananya ani hisab jang for example things ka busuni jini fixed time giri date giri oban khari bojifung lang laba waste of resource ta obani it's a very good thought kabo implementation a jahiya kha birets kala date mase fixed like a 27 January and 27 January ni disadvantage pangbi the most nanditsma glaring point why 27 January should not be the date of the Bushu is that jiniha saba auspicious mane khushi dangma chela hamba khushi dangma chela laibo dainda khuba jamanang do the Bushu la jinla they don't have a festival mane buke garila jinla festival gibin la gingri jingla jarni noha mamdai phamdai nangla ba gibin laila ba nangla bala khip personal udelai se to communal level a khip jang butu jang sala bala Bushu sining jini Bushu ke jing most auspicious jini community awa ke jing 27 January ekla it is on waning moon Krishna pokho cheba mane amabosya ni gire se klai langla do mai thei ginna ma didam skala 27 khale ning amabosya dongba kalago ani hisab jangla jing reform klai ba habo not for the sake of doing it kasa bauhi yakon skang jing bosgang ni spirit ke maintain klai jini bo aju sauni jini ancestral was spirit ke jing man nang da bukhejing consider place reform labuma nangre si ang bau nang laru dikli.
Acha. Our mashi question dong Prithvi Gogoi Rupang. Boshingdo, the recent naming of national park in Dima Hasao was welcomed by all, but don't you think the state, in a way, taking away more and more land under their domain?
Thank you, Prithvi, for a very tricky and interesting question. The day we institutionalize the sixth schedule, our land has been appropriated by the state. But we at least hope that the whatever little power has been given to the sixth schedule or to the autonomous council for regulation of land tenures, we expected that something positive would come in terms of land management system, which did not happen. Now, to answer your question, yes, it is actually kind of being appropriated by the state. But as I said, that it is already appropriated. The day we institutionalize sixth schedule, the state has appropriated our land. So even then, I think the declaration of national park is a welcome step. And I think we can actually, immensely benefit from this. Because now if you look at the forest management across the world, even in India also in many cases, they have tried to bring in a lot of these elements in the Forest Rights Act of 2006 and 2006. You see that state is increasingly recognizing community as a stakeholder in management of forest and national park and all that. So given the symbiotic relationship of our people has with the forest, and if we take this thing little further, that we are as a community as a very important stakeholder in management of forest, I think there is a lot of benefit, gain situation for all, because there are many forest products, non-timber forest products in terms of herbs and species, other species and things like that. Those can actually, augment the rural income of the rural people. So just declaration of the national park itself is not sufficient. There has to be a synergy created with the community so that the community is taken as a stakeholder in this whole business and they benefit out of it. Because traditionally we already have a system of sacred grove, or traditionally we already have a system of looking at forest with reverence. So the forest, reserve forest idea or the idea of national park and all these are very new. So even within that concept also, to extend the rights of the traditional people, there is tremendous scope, and it's a gain-gain situation for everything, I think. I hope I could do justice to your question.
Thank you, Ade. Our few more questions pa hidong ang buke bodwat si hado. Santosh ni questions ahala. Customary confusions, multiple and contested claims are common occurrences. How can we deal with these if suppose we start the process of reviving indigenous institution? Ode humi ni bo quite similar oboni ang pinchianing mention kay hanang. Regarding revival of social institutions, specifically pertaining to the religious institution of Daiko, don't you think it is a big challenge to bring uniformity? I do believe that due status and support to the priests and awareness among people are essential needs of the hour for revival. However, do you think rituals can be uniformitized?
Okay, it's a very difficult question. Both the questions, related questions, rightfully, and it is the most pertinent question. It is it is a thought in my individual level, and I was and also like arguments in progress and things like that. I think there are a lot of contested claims, multiple claims, or confusions when it comes to our traditional practices or institutions. And in a way, uniformizing, if I can use that word, uniformizing these variegated ritualistic practices into one form also has its flip side. I also understand that, and it is not easy, or it is many a times not even advisable also, because formatizing the whole thing, the diverse thing into one system also has ultimately erodes certain other aspects and certain other points. But if we are to revive, if we are to sustain our traditional system, I think somehow, somewhere, we have to accommodate, we have to negotiate. Without negotiation and accommodation, it is not going to happen. And that is why I also said that such reforming endeavor or agenda, or whatever we call it, agenda is more of like very instrumental. I do not want to look at it like instrumentalist point of view. That's why I said that it should not be because one person said that, the other person said this, or maybe some powerful person said that, or maybe one very politically powerful person is saying that, or this claim is politically more powerful, they have more economic clout. We should not be looking from that perspective. There's a reason why I say that revive this Dara Disani Dol, make it inclusive. Make it inclusive. Bo Dara Disani Dol should be inclusive. Oraha Amga Sining Japuma, Damga Sining Japuma Odenia. It should be inclusive. Krauron Prang Lahi, Muzarin Prang Lahi, Daya, Zonta, Krip Kaladada. Maybe youth, why not? Because tomorrow they would be on the driving seat. So why not them? It should be a complete whole inclusive process. Ode oraha sign data say oran prang by gomanangba. One thing I want to put stress upon one thing is that sorry. Ang ibuke sign lay baha jini sengbong raw nim singan sign lay babo ang mani kraro jang sign lay ka. Ode he ang bunsini process ke nai baha ang hambo hamjola khado jin krao jin sengbong ni kraro brand klai babo. Bunsini argument lago. Taya Jontai, yes, from if I can use the word ecclesiastical point of view or the religious point of view, Bunsi Supreme. Bunsi Tibaning Jaima Nangdu. Tikabo, who ritual serenade dangba. Public Niklay Sedang Bada, but there is Sangpong Niklay Sedang Bada. Tikala Sangpong Nadiga Hamba Baudu, they should implement it. Who Zeniske Ang Manage. I was not part of process. I was silently busang kanaba ang bukam sining jajoka bogroke. Obani irahabo ibuke klaiba habo the Dara Disani Dol along with the council court through consultative process asabadang katskabo tang manangdu, and here the primacy should be given to the opinion of the people, not the traditional priest bozala thing. Their interest is not supreme. The interest of the people are supreme. Open in dinini pasain and dinini muluka bidek leasing system ke kasa reform claim mazang do rehi claim anangu bu hisab ke let people decide on it. Open is body also should be very very inclusive body. Ani about hado. But I acknowledge it. It's a very difficult process. There is also flip side to it. Uniform flip side dong puni impact bo chahinang. So that is the reason why there should be wide consultation. It should not be done without wide consultation. Uli bolabang.
Acha. Our last mashi question paibapo Chiranjeev Rupang. As you have mentioned that a belief system or religion is personal, the Daiko system itself is a belief system. And in the present times, we should of course expect Dimasa Muslims, Buddhists Buddhists and Dimasa Christians and Dimasa Hindu proper. What do you think should be the linchpin for the new Dimasa identity? Is it our language, festivals, attires?
Thank you, Siranjip. Mane ang personally baul any personal belief that mane religion is a personal matter. Kabo I would not like to throw it away because it is also one of the marker or one of the institution that can bind people together. So I do not want to say that it's a superstition, so throw it out. You don't need it. So it would be something like throwing the water with the baby uli jahima uli khlai du together. So I very much realize the importance of it as a marker of identity, and I would say that to for me to prioritize one factor as a marker would be problematic in our case. Ulitskala to Hindu, Muslim, Christian, siapa bu problem bo dana suni jina baikulang lama. Ar bu baikulangnya ba beren ke bojing lama thau funang niya because bula sere hamjodu sere nangjodu bula thang lama se. Buke jing mathawiya scanning buke jing nekhau hama nangma. Nekhau haba mane ning jin la part ma se thang lakati. So both like if we become more accommodative and we accept them also within our fold. So religion ke main marker niya dada language, jini festival, jini attire, krip ke wala pai as a complete whole. Buke marker mathau ka chkeda ani hisab langde hamdona ang paula du dikli. Khali religion niya hi. Kabo since majority of our people is believe in traditional faith or jini traditional faith adong labani buke bojing reform claimanela jing we have to put all our effort ani bauthai do dikli.
Acha thank you Ade comments phai palang du krip ningke thank you ning sidu nini response nikle hi nini bo discussions nikle hi jing dinini lecture ke erahaning conclude kleinong by thanking you as well as the convener and the organizing committee. I hope that we have several other fruitful discussions about this is a very important issue jini collective identity ni rauha especially as an oral tradition jing nadi challenges jing face kleinong future ha to make our identity stronger. With this, I convey my thanks to Uttam Ade as well as the participants. Thank you so much.
Angbo krikebo pin khajo khamjo makaso mari ladu lining danang dinang boji ron lai lanang sale phalang nang chiang asa jaladu. Thank you Juthai.
Thank you Juthai.